Hello
Hello
guys.
guys, welcome back to our video again. Now, today we have another 5 words that need to you know the meaning and to
To
learn
learn
together.
and to put in our brain.
Yes, and then the 5 words we will find it in the puzzle game.
Yeah.
But now we start to read it first. Then the first one is
Newspaper. We spell it into Newspaper.
And number 2 is
Doctor. We spell it Doctor.
And number 3
Parachute. Parachute.
And number 4
Microwave.
microwave. W. Sorry, W. And the last one spinach.
Spinac.
So now, do you know the meaning of word? Newspaper is we are reading the news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For everybody's
Yeah.
here.
And doctor, when you sick, you will go to meet the doctor to check up your health. And parachute is the soldier is flying.
We're flying the phone.
Yeah, just from the
plane or the helicopter.
Yeah. And microwave, we are cooking some food in the microwave.
We also can make chicken fry.
Yes. And spinach is the group of salad also, is the vegetable.
You mean this one?
Yeah. So now, the 5 words we already know. So start play the game in the puzzle.
I want to use this color. First, I want to find newspaper.
Yeah, it's the newspaper that starts from letter N. So you move a little bit.
Yeah.
So the viewer also can find with you. So the newspaper that starts from letter N.
No.
And
yeah.
Oh, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
this is a big small.
Yeah, but N not correct. It's only one. Yes, newspaper. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, correct. So I take for you.
It has a color.
And number 2 is doctor.
Doctor, where?
Let me spelling Doctor.
I see already.
You already see that?
Yeah.
Wow, so far.
Because we don't someone call us, we don't know.
Yeah.
Oh.
So doctor.
Okay. I over. Daddy.
Doctor, yeah, doctor is spelling
Doctor.
Yeah. And then parachute. We need to find the parachute is from.
You're gonna find it.
P-A. No. P. No.
Wait, I overfound.
It's late.
I found it.
Okay. Start from there. P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-E. Parachute. Yeah, correct.
This is really easy.
Yeah, and number 4 is microwave.
Microwave.
Yeah, microwave, you move too.
Yeah.
Everyone also find with M.
You found it. It's just this wrong. This is mass.
Yeah.
Oh, I found microwave.
Okay, correct. Microwave there. Yeah, microwave. M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E. Microwave.
Spinach.
And the last one is spinach. S-P.
This is...
S-B.
No.
SPS, no. PST, no. SPA.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, correct. Yes, spinach, you already found.
I found so many times.
Okay, so now we find all 5 words already.
If we say it wrong, cut.
No, it means I want that. Now we already find 5 words, but need to review again.
Newspaper, doctor, parachute,
Parachute,
microwave,
and
spinach. We also eat spinach.
Yeah, so now we finish the game and already review the 5 words.
I
So
starving
thank you
hungry.
everyone for watching our video.
And if we say wrong, we comment down below and we say it back. And now goodbye and slide.